Hello, class, and welcome. This is week number 14, module 14 of our course. And we are winding down here. We are coming up on the final 2 weeks of the course, and it will be the official ending of our fall 2021 semester. So, this is what I want to do. I want to bring up some important dates, first of all, and that's concerning the end of the semester. Now, the plan is that by the middle of the week on Wednesday, coming up this Wednesday, I want to open up the final module. That will be module number 15, week 15. And the reason why I'm going to open it up at the middle of the week on a Wednesday is because technically, if you look at our academic calendar for the college, the final day of classes are going to be Wednesday, December the 1st. So, what does that mean for our online course? This is what we're going to be doing. On that final day, Wednesday, December the 1st, your final papers will be due, as well as you taking the final quiz, along with maybe two more discussion post activities that I know definitely that I'm going to include in week number 15, module 15. So, reason being for wanting to open up that module, which I will be doing on Wednesday, that would be November 24th. That's going to be the day before Thanksgiving, is because I want to give all of the class, I want to give everyone a week to work on the final module. So, with that being said, I want to make module 14, week 14, rather light in terms of the rigor of what needs to be done regarding assignments. So, let me just kind of talk about week 14, module 14. And really, with this chapter, we're talking about income statements, we're talking about the balance of cash flows, we're talking about the statement of cash flows, the balance sheets, as well as depreciation, meaning that when you buy equipment for your business establishment, over the course of usage and time, the value is going to depreciate on that equipment, meaning it's not going to have the same value as it had when you first made the purchase on it. So I just kind of wanted to hit some terms and definitions. I originally wanted to do something a little different for this week, but I did not want to make it extensive to where it would be a lot of work. I want everybody to be able to focus on wrapping up the final part of their paper, getting that done, and then there's going to be one final quiz coming up in the following week that I'm going to give everybody. And so we're just looking to kind of finish strong here. Most definitely, not kind of, but most definitely, we want to finish strong here within the course. So, kind of go over the terms and definitions. And this is talking about creating budgets and also doing different analysis. And how does that help a manager determine the difference between their assets and their liabilities? And these statements, okay, are more effective when they are done on an annual basis. And of course, you definitely need the income statements and the balance of cash flows. You need that for tax purposes. Because with every establishment, when you think about it, that has employees or that has a staff that they have to pay, you have two different types of taxes. You have an income tax as well as a payroll tax that you have to pay um, to the IRS. That is the Internal Revenue Service. And you know that's a group that definitely none of us want to get in trouble with or have a penalty that we have to pay along with a back tax. So go over chapter 14, read the textbook as you should have been doing every week. And these are just some points. The PowerPoint is attached within the content section of week 14, module 14. Some of this may be on the final quiz. I want to let everybody know that. So it's imperative to read the textbook and also go over my PowerPoints. That's one of the reasons why I've been creating the PowerPoints on a weekly basis. And then so with the discussion questions, these are just coming straight out the textbook. It's nothing that I created on my own. These are discussion questions, okay, that summarize the chapter, is at the end of your textbook. Just give me a response, an initial response for each of these discussion questions. And like we've been doing every week, make one substantive response to one of your peers for each discussion question. And so we will be, let's say this will be due on Saturday midnight. That would be next Saturday midnight going into Sunday morning. And make your substantive response. That would be Sunday midnight going into next Monday morning. Now, I definitely want everybody to enjoy the Thanksgiving holiday. Thanksgiving is going to be coming up this Thursday, and that's one of the reasons why I did not really assign a lot of work to be due within week 14. Then also, of course, the concluding week is going to be next week, week 15, where we're going to be wrapping everything up. So I am thinking about the workload that everyone has, definitely, not only within my course, but also the other courses that you happen to be taking with the university. So I'm going to put this in the news feed in terms of what we're going to be doing. Reminder now, by the middle of this week, okay, I will be putting up another video. That's going to be my final video for the semester. And I'm going to also be opening up week 15, module 15. Everything is going to be due by, that would be Wednesday, December the 1st at midnight for module 15. Midnight, Wednesday, December the 1st. Okay, going into Thursday, December the 2nd. What I'm endeavoring to do is I'm endeavoring to get everything graded and final grades submitted that Friday. That would be December the 3rd. If you are behind, and I will stress the importance of this, if you wish to try to make up some points, get in contact with me. Reach out to me by email. Okay. Several students have already done that. And as you already know, I do expedite my response. At least within the matter of several hours, I'm going to reply back to your email. Or if it's an emergency, feel free to call me. And those ground rules I've had in place since the beginning of the semester. So again, that's if you want to catch up with work. Okay, mathematically, some of you all are able to do that. Okay, reach out to me and we can discuss a plan or course of action. But you have to do it right away. Today is Saturday, November the 20th, and we're going to be closing out this course officially on Wednesday, December the 1st. So look at the news feed as you log on to D2L. There's going to be action items, okay, within the news feed in terms of important dates coming up, and we will just take it from there. When it comes to any additional questions or concerns that you may have, definitely feel free to reach out to me. Okay. All right, everybody. Thanksgiving is coming up this week. I want everyone to have a happy Thanksgiving as you enjoy it. You may be traveling outside the state of Philadelphia. Please be careful and be safe and stay healthy. So, this is Professor Javier Black officially signing off as week 14, module 14 is open, and I will be talking to everybody real soon. Take care.